I'm ready. Yep, I'm ready. Ready, I guess. Alright, let's just do this. I'm ready. Let's shoot some illegal fireworks. Yeah, let's use some explosives. Get the explosives.
Got in the spotlight.
Get the explosives. Where should we put them?
Maybe in the spotlight.
I'm not in the spotlight. Ooh, I'm on the runway. Who's there? Who's that? Ah, we have to shoot them with it. We have to shoot them. All right, so let's do.
I gotta get a piece of flat metal first.
All right, let's do this. Okay, so first, I need to get in the light so I can show everybody the fireworks. Can I have your flashlight for a second?
Oh, I'm gonna go right here. Gotta find something flat for you moment.
Good, good. All right, this is like crazy eyeballs, if you can see them. I need to go somewhere else. Here you go, it's brighter. You guys can see it. All right, these are called crazy eyeballs. We got blue, green, green, red, and blue. All right, let's do these first.
Oh, you need something flat?
I want to see what they do. Let's explode this board.
You can always use something like
We're doing it on a board, by the way. Oh,
It's a big area, so it's only big enough, man.
I see. Wait, let's blow up this board, all right? It says, yeah.
I got a lighter.
Let's blow it up. Just blow it up, dude. Blow it up.
Don't leave with it.
Yeah, you may want to stand back.
You might want to stand back.
I need a flashlight. Can I have it?
Back up.
It's called a rocket.
That ain't gonna take off or nothing, is it?
Ah! My God! It's off it. It's off of it. Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God!
I don't know if you got
This
anything in
should be illegal.
I don't know if anything's in your
Ah!
almost for
I'm gonna. You may want to stand back. My God, is this bipolar? Is this bipolar?
Back up, Chad.
I think I'm deaf now. My ear popped.
Them are pretty, though.
I think my ear popped.
We'd all be burnt.
That's Chad, he got a close up.
Oh, do the weasel laugh.
These are crackling crazy ground pig.
Ground pig.
They're groundhogs.
More crackling groundhogs.
Oh God.
Not better back up and dig a hole.
Ooh. Caution! Back up 100,000 meters. Alright, let's see this. Let's see what it does. You can see it light up. That's just lighter. That's just the lighter. Wow. Ah! Okay.
Wow. Save the best for last.
Yeah.
You don't like them?
He hates firecrackers. He hates firecrackers.
The house that damn dog was arguing.
Dad, you may want to back.
Done been already.
You might want to back up.
Oh! Just when you thought it wouldn't happen.
Just when you thought you could talk about it.
Look.
There's Daddy Sulfur he loves.
You like that smell?
Ah, it smells so good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh's right, dude. Not all. I love that smell.
Just because your daddy does.
That is so addicting. Ah! It's not all, people. I was right. Yeah, let's get some more of those crazy eyeballs. No, no,
So you
no.
said save that one for last.
Well, you gotta find a fuse on it.
Save the best for.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's right. It's right.
Whoa,
It's,
whoa, whoa, whoa.
it's right on top
Whoa,
of
whoa,
you.
whoa, whoa.
Quit snatchy.
It's
Snatchy
right on
Bill.
top of you. Of the top. Don't you dare. Don't you dare laugh that
I
yet.
think you're supposed to let that paper on top.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do these.
You know what's them
We're
do?
doing these. I don't know what these do.
Rocket fountain. They just.
Oh, they don't actually.
All right, so this goes up in the sky. That's just the moon.
I lost my top.
Uh-oh. Would
Uh.
you not supposed to have that?
Nah, yeah, that's just part of it.
I don't think we're. Wait, does this go up into the sky? Oh.
You sure?
You bought all the ground.
You can't buy nothing but on the ground ones in Georgia.
That's right, that's all you can get.
You may want to step back. Is that aiming toward? You aim that somewhere else. You do not aim that towards me. If you aim it, don't aim it toward me. Yes. Because it's a firework. It's a firework. It's a fire. Oh God. 3.
Watch it.
That's
The tower's
still the
behind you.
firework. Wow.
I mean, it could have lasted 22 days.
This can last a year. All right, you're done.
Nope.
You're done.
Grand finale still.
You're done.
Hey, that's pretty good for a little bit.
All right, blow it out. You have to blow it out.
Watch it. Bam!
I better not
Grand
get.
finale.
Okay.
Light them both at the same time.
Wait. No. Wait. Oh yeah, that would be cool. Yeah, light them both at the same time.
And what's the top again, huh?
Oh, come on. You're just being more dangerous. You're being a daredevil.
Evil, Skeneevil.
Evil.
Evil,
Skeneevil.
super evil. Oh, that's
God,
cool.
no exploding. God, no
That tire's
exploding.
behind You.
I know.
You fall over in them. Well, I'm gonna do like Chuck said he's gonna do earlier. Just laugh at you. That's pretty.
Ooh. Oh, did you see that? Oh! Oh, now it's going wild this thing.
I didn't think you could buy it in time in Georgia.
This is illegal.
I thought if they popped and cracked like that, you're supposed to buy them.
All right, Chuck, you're only like, wait, who threw the cigarette?
This is much danger. It's a
Boy,
van.
on the way
You know
back
that,
home.
Emily?
Wait, what?
Lord, it might have found Spark Rider place where I'd love to go to.
You wanna go back to Oklahoma?
I would forget Spark Rider.
You have to take little one
I
out
had to
with
get me
you.
a U-Haul to haul
Yeah.
back there.
Malia's got to go with you, though, because we don't want to hear her. She got mad last time.
Now this is the flower fountain.
This is the.
It just spins.
Oh! Wildly! Oh my God! Did I catch that on camera?
Is that all it does?
Mhm.
Light another one. I need to catch this.
It blows. Oh, there it goes.
Oh! Oh!
Cute. I like that.
That is cool. All right, blow that out.
It'll go out.
Okay.
Go back up.
No. Okay, I might want to. I might want to.
That one there got kicked in the high gear, didn't it?
I'll sulfur.
Go back up.
When I think I want. It's having a malfunction.
That one down.
Yeah.
Last one.
Last one.
Grand finale.
The grand finale. What we came for.
I think they're crawling to the car.
Yeah, this might be a little dangerous.
This might be a little illegal.
I would crawl into the car right there.
Warning, this might be a little illegal.
No.
Warning, it might be illegal. Is that all it does? Nope.
I could go get some more of them. Imagine if you had about 10 of them going off at the same time.
Like them big ones you get, you know.
That report.
You never know when somebody's gonna go off.
You never know when it's done.
No, when they're done, by golly.
Yeah.
Watch Chad look for a fuse that didn't blow.
Oh God.
Yeah, I have them big ones you can buy in Tennessee.
Okay, baby.
Big and bigger.
Okay.
Just feed you around.
Bye.